Welcome to Saraswati Sisukun Vagwala Borsad Standard 3rd Subject Maths Chapter number 7 Time Goes On. Today in this video we learn about how to make birth certificate, okay, and then we solve also one puzzle, okay. So but before that we revise our previous topic video and then we start our new topic, okay. So in the previous video we learned two topics, okay, how old are we and birth certificate, okay. So first of all we revise how old are we. So in that topic we learn about my age, then my mother's age and my mother's mother age, and from that we solve some questions, right? And in second topic birth certificate, okay. So in birth certificate, what is the definition of birth certificate? Okay, a birth certificate is a document that a birth of person, right? So here if you can see the picture of birth certificate, okay, here can see the name of the person is first of all given, right? Then sex is male or female, then here it is given date of birth also, right? Then here given place of birth, right? Then name, mother name, okay, date of registration is given and registration number is also given, and in last date of issue is also given, and then also signature is also given, right? So in previous video this we learn about all that things, and from that birth certificate we solve the question, right? Okay, so now let's start our new topic, okay, and our new topic is how to make birth certificate, okay. So here one form is given of birth certificate, okay, and then you have to here you have to fill up the all information, okay. So you have already birth certificate at your home, okay, of your, here you can fill the birth certificate information using that birth certificate, okay. So now here first of all I will read whole information, okay, of birth certificate, and then we fill the birth certificate, right? So here in the first number here form number is given, okay. So here in your birth certificate here form number is also given that, okay. So here you have to write the form number, right? Then here here written government of, okay, government of, here in which state we live, Gujarat, okay. So here it will become Gujarat, okay. So here government of Gujarat, okay. Then birth certificate here written, right? Now what is written? This is to certify that this information is taken from the original record of birth, okay. This all information is taken from the original record from the birth certificate which is in the register for the year blank of blank, right? Now here some information are you have to fill it. Which information you have to fill it? So here first of all name, then sex, then date of birth, then place of birth, then name of father, then name of mother, then date of registration, and last registration number, and which date here we have to write? Here issued date, okay. Then here signature of the issuing authority, right? Okay, so that all information are in the birth certificate, okay. So now let's start. We fill the birth certificate, okay. So here form number, okay. So here I will write form number 5, okay. In your birth certificate also form number written, okay. So that number you have to write here, okay. Now then government of, we already discussed about that. Here in which state we live, Gujarat. So here we have to write government of Gujarat, okay. So here we write Gujarat, okay. Understood up to that? Then next, this is to certify that this information is taken from the original record of birth which is in the register for the year. Okay, I born in 1993. Okay, so that year we have to write. So in that year we issue that birth certificate, right? So here year 1993. Okay, and here you have to write your birth 1 year, right? Okay, of blank. Here you have to write panchayat name. Okay, so here I write here I live in Vaira, so here I write Vaira Panchayat. Okay, so here understood about up to that, right? Okay, then here first number is given name, so here we have to write our name. So here I will write my name Krunal Kumar Dinesh Bhai Patel. Okay, so here I will write first of all my name. Okay, then here next is one is given sex. Okay, so male or female you have to write it here. Okay, so here I am male. Okay, so here I will write here male. Okay, next one is date of birth. Okay, so here you have to write your date of birth. Okay, so here my date of birth is 26 April 1993. Okay, so here first of all I write my birth date in numbers. Okay, so here 26 date 4th month and 1993 years. Okay, then now we can write date of birth in word. Okay, so here 26 April 1993 means here 1993. Okay, so this way you have to write your birth date of birth in words. Okay, now next one is place of birth. Okay, so my place of birth is Dharmaj. Okay, so here I will write Dharmaj and you have to write your place of birth. Okay, here, so here I will write Dharmaj. Okay, then next one is given name of father. So here my father name is Dinesh Bhai. Okay, so here I will write Dinesh Bhai. Okay, next one is name of mother. Okay, so here I will write my mother name. So here my mother name is Rashmika Ben. Okay, then date of registration. Okay, so on which date we register this birth certificate, so that we have to write. Okay, so my birth certificate registration on my birth date. Okay, so here I will write 26 April 1993. Okay, and last one is registration number. Okay, if you find your birth certificate, in that birth certificate a registration number is also given. Okay, so my registration number is here, I will write 112/5. Okay, that is my birth certificate registration number, right? Then here we have to write date. Okay, on which date my birth certificate is issued. Okay, so here I will write 5th May 1993. On that day my birth certificate is issued. Okay, so you understood about how can you make certificate and which detail or which information are included in the birth certificate. Okay, and from the birth certificate you can know about when you born, right, your place of birth, then you can know about the date of registration, then you can find the registration number. Okay, from this all information you can find from the birth certificate. Okay, so here I will read again whole birth certificate, right? So here I can written form number 5, then government of Gujarat, then birth certificate here written. Okay, now this is to certify this information is taken from original record of birth which is in the register for the year. Here we write register year 1993 of, here we have to write the panchayat name. Okay, so here Vaira Panchayat, right? I've written. Now then we have to write our information. My name here written Krunal Kumar Dinesh Bhai Patel. Then here I write sex male. Okay, then date of birth here I written 26 April 1993. Here I write date of birth in words and numbers both, right? Then place of birth Dharmaj, then name of father here I have written Dinesh Bhai, then name of mother Rasmika Ben, then date of registration here I have written 26 April 1993, then registration number 0112/5. Okay, and last you have to write a date of issue. Okay, so here I have written 5th May 1993. Okay, so this way in the worksheet you got a one form of birth certificate and you have to fill up your information in that birth certificate from your original birth certificate, right? So you can understood about this topic, how can you make birth certificate. Okay, so now let's solve one puzzle. Okay, so here one puzzle is given. Here Irfan's mother is twice as old as him. Okay, here you can see here Irfan's mother is twice is old than him. Okay, then she is also 20 years older than him. Here two conditions are given. Okay, Irfan's mother's age is twice than Irfan. Okay, and second condition is Irfan's mother is 20 years older than him. So here we have to find the age of Irfan and his mother. Okay, so here if you notice that here Irfan age is not given, right? Here Irfan age is not given. So here if I suppose Irfan age is 10 years, okay, suppose here Irfan age is 10 years. Okay, here I can write here, if I write suppose Irfan age is 10 years. Okay, then here two conditions are given, right? Okay, if these two conditions are satisfied then our answer is right, otherwise our answer is wrong. Okay, here which two conditions are given? Irfan mother is twice as old as him. Okay, so here if here first condition here right, Irfan's mother age is twice than him. Okay, Irfan's mother age is twice than him. Okay, so here I suppose here we write here 10 years, so twice means double. So if I add 10 plus 10, so here answer is 20, right? Now here, now let's check second number condition. Okay, here second number condition is what is given, is also 20 years older than him. Okay, so here Irfan's mother is mother 20 years older than him. Okay, so here if you notice that 20 years older means bigger. Okay, so here if bigger means here we have to do addition. Okay, so here we suppose here Irfan age is 10 years. Okay, and so here if we add 10 plus 20, so here what is the answer? 30, right? Here if you observe that here in first condition we get 20 and in second condition we get 30. Okay, so here 10 years is our answer is wrong, right? Here I suppose Irfan age is 20 years. Okay, now here suppose Irfan age is 20 years. right? Here we don't know the Irfan age, so here I suppose Irfan age is 20 years. Now let's check our both conditions. Okay, so your first condition is Irfan's mother is twice as old as him. Twice means, as we already discussed, twice means is double. So here we suppose, here first condition here I have written, okay, twice only. Okay, so Irfan age is 20 years. Okay, so here twice means double, so here 20 plus 20, 0 and 40. Okay, in first condition what we get? 40. Now let's check second number condition. Okay, she is 20 years older than him. Here if we see the Irfan age is, present age is 20 years. Okay, so here her mother is 20 years older than him, means bigger. So here we also add 20 plus 20. So here we also got 40, right? So here you check that both condition we got same answer, right? So here our answer is right. When Irfan age is 20 years, her mother age is 40 years. So can we write our answer? So here I will write answer. Irfan's age is 20 years and mother's age is 40 years. Okay, again I will read. Irfan's age is 20 years and mother's age is 40 years. So you understood about this puzzle. Okay, so I hope you understand all topics, right? Thank you.